Hello, mathematicians. I'm so happy you're here. Let's get started talking more about multiplication. So let's get your brain ready. If you're anything like me, I'm always thinking about dessert and ice cream and all of those things. So to get my brain ready for math and your brain, let's do a warm-up. I'm going to show you an image very quickly, and you tell me how many you see. Get ready. It's going to be fast. How many groups did you see? How many were in each group? How many altogether? Maybe you said two groups of 2 dots, or maybe you said 2 dots in 2 groups. Guess what? Both of them are right. You could see them either way and describe them either way. Both are correct. Let's try another. All right, I'm going to ask you again, how many groups, how many in each group, and how many altogether? This is going to come fast again, so pay close attention. How many groups did you see? How many were in each group? How many did you see altogether? So here's some options. Maybe you saw 4 groups of 2 dots. Maybe you saw 2 dots in 4 groups. Both would be correct. Maybe you described it differently. I would love to hear more about how you saw these images. Okay, one more. Are you ready? How many groups did you see? How many are in each group? How many were there altogether? Here's some options. Maybe you saw 2 groups of 4 dots, or 4 groups or 4 dots in 2 groups. Again, both are correct. So I said we were going to talk about multiplication, so let's look at it. This is a problem you've probably seen before. 4 times 2. The tricky part about multiplication is now the numbers in our problem aren't things to combine or take away. They mean different things. So here, this 4 can mean that there are 4 in each group, and this number tells us that there are 2 groups. Let's look at it this way. The same problem, 4 times 2, but here, with this picture, this number is telling us how many equal groups, and this number is telling us how many are in each group. Both of these problems have the same answer, and they help us to solve. Let's look at this problem. Could you write an equation to represent this image? I see 3 groups with 2 dots in each group. Wow, did you see any of these problems when you thought of an equation? Maybe you saw 2 dots in 3 equal groups. Or maybe you saw 3 groups with 2 in each one. Maybe you just added 2 plus 2 plus 2. Guess what? Nobody's wrong. You did it. Great work! So, this is something that is so important to me. Did you know that there is never, ever, ever only one way to solve a problem? There are always many ways that you can solve a problem. You have the power to make math work for you. You can think of problems in ways that make your brain understand math. It may take some work, but always remember, Everyone is a math person, always. So now I want to see how you're thinking of numbers and how you're thinking of multiplication. So give it a try. Look at these two images. How are they the same? How are they different? I can't wait to hear about your thinking.